Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your RedMagic 11 Air. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to settings. Now we're gonna go to the battery settings, so we need to swipe down until we see battery. And here in the battery, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over and slow down. Sorry, not slow down, but scroll down. Here we have the battery usage. As you guys can see, here we can check the duration of our battery and which app takes what ratio of it. So system UI is 2.5%. Now let's say speech recognition, and here we have an information that it runs in the background and everything, as you guys can see. Now what are we gonna do here is we're gonna see which app is doing some more damage. Here we have something like a app control. So this is the app optimization. We just optimize the apps like this, and some apps you just can't do that, so you need to find the apps that you can do this. As you guys can see, we cannot do that with the Google, and for example we cannot do that with the Gboard. Well, we can find the apps like YouTube, sorry, not the YouTube, but the YouTube Music. And here we have the app optimization, so we just need to go over and disable everything. So especially background running, we want to make sure that it's not allowed. And you guys can find apps like this, so every single app that has it, you guys can change it, like Chrome, and just disallow everything. And next, what you guys want to do is uninstall some apps that you don't need. So for example, you don't need super wallpaper, you can just delete it. And you guys can do that with a lot of more apps here. It's very important to get rid of as many apps as possible. As you guys can see, if you do not need this, click on Uninstall and get rid of it. If you don't need Notepad, like not phone switch, but you guys see the vision, you guys can uninstall a lot of apps here that you do not need, that are just bloatware. And next, what you guys want to do is go over into the Play Store and search for AccuBattery. What we're gonna do in the AccuBattery, basically we will check if there are any errors. So go over and install the second option here, ignore the sponsored one, make sure that it is the app right here. Now after installing it, tap open and you can skip it. Here, as you guys can see, it's calibrating the battery. We can click finish, and as you guys can see, what we're looking for here is the health. So we're gonna make sure that we check our battery level, our battery wear, and everything here. So we need 5 valid charge sessions. So you need to discharge your phone to 15% or lower and then charge it to 100. Here we have the battery wear chart, so we can see how much our battery is being worn out. And here in history we have like our battery usage and wear, so we can see how much battery is being drained or just used. Now here we have the charging, so this is very important to charge it to like 85, not 100, because this is a full cycle. And as you guys can see, once we charge to 80%, then it won't show because I'm at 97 now, but from 80 to 97 it's only a half cycle. Here we got the info about our battery, and here we will have everything if our battery is failing, but if our battery is normal, then nothing will be here. Now what you guys want to do next is restart the device. It's very important to refresh the system. Just hold the power button, tap restart, and touch to restart again. Now in this way we will get rid of any minor glitches, so I'll see you guys once the device is restarted. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over to the authorized service center. So there may be an error that user just cannot find, and what you guys can do is just give the phone up to repair and see if there's some issues with the battery. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.